Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Monica. So for today's video, I wanted to show you guys my foundation routine for a matte finish. I do have combo oily skin and I tend to get oily like on my forehead and like in my nose area. So we are gonna just go ahead and get right into it. I already did my eye makeup because I want the focus of this video to be on the foundation routine. So first we are going to start with the primer. So where's it? Oh, so I'm gonna be using two primers right now. The first one is this Catrice Keep Me Matte primer right here. You can get this at Ulta and it's not expensive at all. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hand. Oh, it's really hot in here. Okay, just gonna rub that in. Sorry, I keep on looking. Okay. I like this primer because it doesn't feel sticky. Like it feels like a little bit sticky, but not too sticky. Okay. So the second primer that we're gonna go in with is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer right here. You can get this at basically like almost any store, I think. And this one I'm gonna use in the areas that I tend to get more oily. So like I said, my forehead is like one of those areas. Let me get my mirror. Oh, it's just right here. And around my nose. And then I'm also gonna add a little bit right here, but this is just like because of my smile lines. That way they don't, like the crease doesn't. Okay, just make sure everything in there. So now we are gonna go in with the foundation. So you can use any matte foundation that you want, whether it's drugstore or high-end. I'm gonna use my YSL All Hours foundation. Right here, it's in the color Warm Almond, I believe. Yeah, so this one right here. Let's see. My little beauty blender sponge. Now that the hot weather is going to start kicking in, you want your foundation to look matte. I forgot to say that I did moisturize before this. Even if you do have oily combo skin, you still want to moisturize because if you don't, your skin is gonna, like, your foundation is gonna look crusty and you don't want that. You want it to look like very matte but very like smooth. And like I know that's happened to me before. I used to think that if I didn't I'm like, oh, I already have like oily skin, so I'm not gonna like put ¿cómo se llama? Moisturizer. But then like I would get like cracked, it would look cracked, like crusty, and yeah, no, it was not cute. Is everyone having, today's Friday, so I usually record on Fridays and upload on Mondays. I had a long day at work, so I did not want to do, like, I felt lazy. I wanted to do the video, but I felt lazy. But dije, no, I gotta do it. Consistency is key. Okay, David, how am I looking up? And you really don't need that much foundation in your forehead. Anyways, I try to focus more like on this area. So Okay, that should look good. Let me see. Yeah, looks good. Okay, so now what you want to do is do the rest of your face and you're done. I'm gonna do my concealer. So I'm gonna use the Instant Age Rewind Eraser by Maybelline. I think this is in the color 150 Neutralizer. So next we are going to bake a little. So take out your aprons. No, we are gonna bake underneath the eyes and in some other areas. Oh, wait, hold on, let me show you guys. So I'm gonna use this Fenty. Wait, oh, it's upside down. Wait. Yes, the Fenty setting powder in the color Butter. So So I'm just gonna put like a little bit underneath my eyes. Just make sure to press it in. Okay, and then I'm going to put a little, well, actually, on my smile lines, but I mean, that's not really so much about looking matte. It's just to prevent the little creases because I always smiling. So, and then okay, then you're gonna put a little bit like on your forehead, pero no tanto, no se vayan a echar. Just like right here, near the eyebrows. No. Okay. So I'm gonna be using a matte bronzer now. I'm gonna be using this NYX matte bronzer right here in the color medium. So it is more of a warm tone. A little bit of powder underneath here. Powder abajo. I need to look at this. And then right here, I'm gonna leave this one and the one on the nose a little bit longer. Actually, everything. Okay. I'm gonna add a little bit of highlight. I'm gonna use the Revolution Pro Supreme Highlighter. Ooh, brush this off. Todavía no me quito acá en la forehead. Last time I left this on my forehead throughout the whole video and I didn't realize it until after. Y ahí tenía un pinche like. Okay, so let's do this one. I always struggle with my nose ring. No quiero que... Okay. Okay. Let's put a little bit of mascara underneath the eyes. I think I had already put a little bit. Okay, poquito highlight. That was a Morphe sweet tea. Morphe, yeah, sweet tea. And then I'm gonna use this Morphe main squeeze. It's like a dark. It's not that dark. And a little bit of lip gloss. Also Morphe called Trippy right here, and has a little bit of glitter. Can you guys see that? It's really pretty. It has like some purple. All right. Okay. So the last thing I am going to do is, okay, so I'm gonna use this mattifying powder. It's waterproof and it is transparent, from the brand Catrice also. And I'm just gonna use my big fluffy brush from Real Techniques, and I'm gonna go ahead and pat that in on my forehead, you know, because like I told you guys, that's like the area where I get the most oily. Y luego me voy a echar aquí también un poquito en las edges. Okay. And of course the last step is the setting spray. So I'm going to use this Morphe one right here. I'm almost out of it. So whew, I've seen people that like literally drench their faces in this. So I don't know if you guys can see my face. It looks pretty matte. Oh yeah, ya estoy lista. So I mean, that's basically it, guys. I hope that this video was helpful for you guys, or informative, or like whatever you guys, or maybe entertaining, whatever. If you are looking for a matte finish on your foundation, this is what it looks like, or this is at least what works for me. I do use other primers and stuff, you know, I switch them around, and also other foundations, but for the most part, that's kind of like my foundation routine. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys again next week.